Ah, the humble hot dog, America's quintessential snack. But what's a hot dog without a little something extra? Enter Relish, the sweet and tangy condiment that takes your dog from good to unfriggin' believable. But where did this colorful condiment come from? It's time to wake up those taste buds as we dive into the weird and wonderful world of relish. Believe it or not, relish has been around for centuries. In fact, it's thought to have originated in India, where it was made with fruits and spices. Much like chutney, but we'll save the chutney talk for another episode. The relish we know and love today has its roots in the United States, where it became a popular condiment in the late 19th century. Back then, relish was made by chopping up pickles, onions, and other veggies and mixing them with vinegar and sugar. Today, there are all sorts of relish varieties, from classic dill pickle to fruity mango to spicy jalapeno. You know, there's something special about homemade relish too. It's the perfect way to use up all those extra garden veggies in the summer, and you can customize the flavor to your liking, just like they do in the South. Now, don't get this one confused for the fluffy, furry canine. Chow chow is a southern spin on traditional relish. In the 19th century, southern farmers would make chow chow, a mixture of surplus vegetables at the end of growing season. You might find cabbage, onions, or bell peppers in this Dixieland delight, and all with its sweet tang to liven up meats, beans, and as a spread on crackers. So why do we love relish so much? Well, it's the perfect balance of sweet and tangy with a satisfying crunch. It helps balance out the fat in foods with the acidity from the vinegar. Plus, it adds a pop of color and flavor to any dish. Okay, deep breath now. We can't have you passing out from this one. Did you know that some people even put relish in their mac and cheese?
Aw, geez, I think our mac and cheese purist just fainted.
It might sound crazy, but trust us, it's delicious. But if that's too bold for you, just add a little dollop of relish on a wedge of watermelon for a sweet and tangy take on a summertime picnic favorite. So, whether you're a relish lover or a newbie ready to try something new, there's no denying that this condiment is a true American classic. So the next time you're enjoying a hot dog, a burger, or mac and cheese, consider a little relish. Well, that's all for today's episode of Cut the Mustard. We hope you learned a thing or two about relish, and maybe even got inspired to try it in a new and unusual way. Speaking of which, have you ever tried using relish as a face mask? Just kidding, don't try that at home. Until next time, keep relishing in life, my friends.